one step at a time, and you can achieve anything.
People always say this though, it's one of the most common excuses, they don't have time. It's absolute nonsense. Any of you guys that are listening to it that ever say that, just really think about what you're saying, all right? And just see if it's an actual fact or it's just an excuse. Don't let their opinions stop you from achieving what you want to achieve, because it is easy for that to happen. It is so easy for you to let that penetrate your mind and end up defining where your life goes, determining which direction your life goes. As long as you always stay true to yourself, as long as you never doubt yourself, you're always going to come out on top. Every single day I'm scared that something's not going to work out. I'm constantly scared or worried, but rather than doing what most people do and not doing it, I'm allowing it to just keep driving me forward. So many people do. They generalize the shit that happens in their life, and it stops them then taking the next step, right? We do this with lots of different stuff. Nobody likes me. Nobody likes you. Not one single person on the planet likes you. All of these little bits of language that we use, they're crippling to success and progress. What your brain's doing when you say can't, you're avoiding challenging a problem. Whereas if you say how can I do this, how can I get around this, your brain goes in look for a solution for it.
You have two choices. The first, you choose to stay where you are. The second option is you do everything you can to get past and carry on your journey on the road to your target. Too many of you are lying to yourself about what you're doing to get what you want. You can't keep telling yourself that you're doing everything you can, and the only person you're lying to is yourself. Whatever it is you want more of or want to be better at in your life, you have complete control over whether you get it or not. Complaining is an excuse. It's a way out. Stop being a victim of your life and start being the master of it. Have the balls to say that I'm here because of me. Keep going. Never stop. You have limitless potential. You will get stronger and stronger, and you'll start getting better. Write down what you want. Every goal, every dream, no matter how big, no matter how small it is, write it down. Look at that list every day and ask yourself, what can I do today that's going to move me closer to my goals? Thanks for watching this video, guys. Listen, if you want more motivational fire coming to you every single week, then subscribe to my channel right here. If you don't know why you should subscribe yet and you need a little bit more convincing, watch my next video right here. Thanks for watching.